Okay, this is a short unboxing video for a battery which I purchased from Country Home Products, and they are the parent company of the DR field and brush mower manufacturer. And this is just the battery that is required for it. You have some just return information and authorization just in case it doesn't work, and the battery itself, oh boy, it's quite heavy, as you might imagine. It is a I believe it is a lead battery, which of course is one of the reasons why it's so heavy. So we'll just pull this bubble wrap from around it real quick. Okay, as you can see, Country Home Products, and this is made in Vietnam, and this is a non-spillable, so it's a sealed battery. You don't have to worry about any acid spilling out of it. Okay, so let's quickly open it up and see what it looks like. See, one bolt is loose. And there's another loose bolt in there. Screw in a nut. Then a washer. And another washer. I'm not sure exactly where they were located. I did not see them as I was opening this, so they could have been just loose in here, and here it is. So one thing I see right now is it appears that the bolts and stuff were just loose in there. They weren't really secure. Just didn't really have a bottom on there. They was just tape there. And here it is. Alrighty, and that is for this guy right here. Alright, thanks for watching. And as I said, I just wasn't really pleased just to see how the small screws or bolts, washers, and nuts were in there. They probably should have been in like a little small baggie or something like that to keep them from getting lost, or at least perhaps even affixed to the terminals where they go. So certainly wasn't pleased about that. Parts shouldn't be falling out as you're trying to, because as a consumer you don't know exactly where they're situated in there. They should be more secure than what they were. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.